Hey, what's up, everyone? How's it going? My name is Chris Gazaleh, and I'm here to explain how I created the 4 elements of hip hop: love, peace, having fun, and unity. So, while creating these images, while drawing out these words, I definitely listen to a mix of music. I listen to hip hop music, and I listen to Arabic music to give me, to get myself in the mood and to just kind of visualize what I wanted to represent here. So, similar to Nate, that's also my process. I like to listen to some good music and get in the mood. And can't say that my desk is clean as his was. I kind of work in an environment that is, it's a lot going on. I'll say doing this project was really fun because the words that I'm using in Arabic are very important words in the Arabic language. And actually, growing up as an Arab American, I learned a lot of these words, or not all of them, but at least one of them, the word salam. I definitely heard that in hip hop growing up, which spoke to me a lot as an Arab American because this is an Arabic word that we use in everyday life. Salam, which means peace, also means hello and goodbye. And also, when someone's sick, we say salamtak. So we use the word in many different ways. But salam also can be used as names like Salim, Salama. And so anyways, I used an olive branch to represent the element of peace because where I come from in Palestine, the olive branch represents peace. It represents hope. And so this word is pretty important in the Arabic language. The next phrase, really, but a word in Arabic is astamta, which is having fun. And this is one word that I never really used. I kind of actually had to look it up because I've never really heard this word. There's many slang words that we use for fun as well. So this word astamta is a interesting word. For this one, I used a kid skateboarding to represent having fun, because to me that's what that's what fun was for me when I was younger, skateboarding. So the next word is gonna be hub. Can you guess what that means? Well, hub means love, and for love, it's a simple 2-letter word actually in Arabic. It's a 2-character word, the ha and the ba. So the H, basically in English, you would write it H-O-B, hub. And I used a heart instead of the diamond that goes below the B to signify that the letter is a B. There's one diamond below the stroke. I changed the diamond and made it a heart to represent that. And the last, and the most important word, in my opinion, is unity. And in Arabic, it's wahdatun. I'm sorry, wahdatun. Yeah, it's a tough word to pronounce. It has the ha letter, which is similar to hub. Well, the word unity, similar to English, in Arabic, wahad is one. And so wahad makes up this word, wahdatun. So it's actually related to the number 1. But in my opinion, sometimes 2 people can make 1, right? So I put 2 hands together like this, hugging each other, and that's what I represented for unity. And unity, unity is another important concept in Arab culture and within American hip hop culture, of course. To be unified, to be together, to recognize each other's struggles, and to, build in communities. So I'll say these words are very meaningful in the Arabic language, and they're obviously very meaningful to us in America with our English language, and to our youth, and to the our culture here. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope these were educational to you, and you could learn a little bit about the Arabic language and how it relates to the English language. And yeah, have a good day. Salam.